this is like a calm sea. So it's like the Red Sea. After the children of Israel started on the other side, the water was in the bush. Yeah, so this is actually very beautiful. And it's not all true that I cannot do. Not those people that.
The mixed berry.
What you do, sort of like encourage other people. What you say actually does.
Is it showing you the camera? Imagine.
Oh my god! This is.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on here? This is so cute, oh my goodness! This is so thank you, Aida. Thank you. It's so beautiful.
Everybody has different colors of bracelets.
This is so cute, oh my god, this is so cute, oh, color blue. Friendship bracelet. Let me see yours. So cute. Oh my god.
It's going on.
I think you're supposed to have yours. Oh, this is so cute, It's so beautiful. Okay.
Happy to have met everyone.
Yeah.
It's your different bad character and good character. But like, yeah, thank God that we're able to.
How was the experience today?
It was beautiful.
In one word. How was the experience today? Now, wow. How was the experience today?
Awesome.
How was the experience today?
Amazing.
How was the experience today?
Splendid.